Let me bomb. Let me bomb. Be ready for counters. That's fake. Fake. Just chill. Just chill. Just keep me engaging na. Nah, fake. Just chill. Just keep
yung
giving me
brawlers nila
weapons.
nagmamount up pa.
Yeah.
Brawlers sila.
That's fine, that's fine. Kidnap that guy. Kidnap that guy. Where's their brawlers? Okay, that's fine. Looking ah. Spread more. Spread more. Spread more. Spread more. Spread more. They're looking now. They're looking now. Guys, ready. Shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the gate. Everything in the gate. Everything in the gate. Everything in the gate. Najay ba? Najay ba?
Solo bomb ba?
Come notice. Spread now. Spread now. Let me bonk. 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 Okay, give me defensives. Keep giving me defensives. Keep giving me defensives. Keep giving me defensives. Okay, they're looking now. They're looking now. Ready defensives. Defensives front. Guys, fake now. Can you fake? Wally, can you hold them? Hold them now, guys. Ready? Southwest on top of me. On again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the gate. Kill that. Nice. Then go back and chill. Guys, go back and chill. Give me guard runes. Keep giving me guard runes. They have engagement. Okay, come northeast. Come northeast, boys. Guys, help player one muna. Help player one. Ready, southwest ball. Bro, southwest now. Southwest deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything me. Every ground. Damage na ground. Then go back. Go northeast. Detail solve them. Go northwest. Yeah, go northwest. Guys, get out of the choke. Come northwest. We bonk the other side. Heal front. Protect front.
Mag-engage
Ready defensive front. Okay, yeah. Just go northwest.
Uy,
We bonk the other side.
Bridal bomb miss na.
Okay, just watch him. No one dies. No one should die. Okay? No one should die. Focus bonking here.
Color the enemy bridal bomb.
Okay, just chill. Spread more, guys. Spread more northwest. They can hit you. Keep giving me guard runes up front. Ready defensives. Okay? Chill. That's fine. Nice. Almost. Bitin. Spread lang. Ready. Engaging na. Defensive front. Guys, ready. Hold them now. Ditang hold them. Nah, it's fine. Just focus bonking. Bonk now. Focus bonking. Bonk now. Shallow on me. 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Almost. Go back. Spread, boys. Spread. Keep giving guard runes. Spread more. I have defensives. Just spread. They're looking soon. Just chill and spread. Guys, defensives now. Defensives front. Come. Hold. Break the gate now. Break the gate. Shallow. Guys, can you walk in a bit? Just walk in. Just defensives. Nice. Walk in northeast. Guys, spread kayo. Walk in spread. Northeast. Deep. Northeast down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Everything. Nice. Defensives. Spread now. Go northeast. Spread. Defensives. Spread kayo. Spread. Use all the space. Just spread. Come northeast. Spread lang. Spread southwest and northwest. Guys, kill the guys northeast. Brawl the guys northeast. Okay, chill. Ready defensives, boys. Guys, defensives now. Nice, come southwest. Ready southwest, boys. Hold southwest now. Bro, hold southwest. Hold them southwest, bro. Hold southwest now. Hold southwest. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, southwest me. Nice. Keep walking. Nice spread. Guys, be careful of the walls. Spread now. Focus bonking now. Some details spread. Bonk southwest and southeast.
Sa sila na yun Southwest right now.
Yeah. Be careful of the bomb. Guys, be careful of the engage. They're holding southwest, Be ready, chill. Just keep giving guard runes. Nice! Nice. That's fine. Can you guys break the engaging na? Nice, Jay. Keep bonking. Pwede ba i-GA nyo pagka-engage? Para ma-hold? Keep bonking. Heal the front. Keep bonking. Guys, stop staying near the Lord room, okay? Bonk the other side. Guys, are they looking? Yeah. Guys, be ready headbutt
Wala. Ano lang sila?
Okay. Bonk the other gate. Bonk the other wall. We're gonna go from southeast. You guys can brawl the guards southwest, okay? Chill.
Bago naging palaka ako.
Careful by the Lord.
Nag-engage west.
Guys, focus here. No one should die. Help our bomb. Oh my god. Bro, heal. Magsabi kayo, Jill, kung magbabang kayo. Guys, kill the guards on top of you, 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 kill the guards on top of you. Kill the guards on top of you, bro. What's taking you guys so long? I'm just standing here. Kill the guards, focus on killing the guards, focus on killing the guards. Focus on killing the guards. Focus on killing the guards. My brawlers, my party 2 brawlers, be ready go southwest, okay? Just focus on killing the guards, just wipe the guards. Get cooldowns first, get cooldowns. Spread more. I don't want more deaths, guys. Just chill, everyone. My brawlers, be ready on southwest. Now, kill the guards. Everyone kill the guards here. Kill the guards here. I'm gonna walk into them later, huh? Okay? You guys need to spread. Use all your geek pads. Guys, just chill. Just kill all the guards. Get heals. Kill all the guards, okay? Yeah, watch me front. My brawlers be ready, okay? I'm waiting for them to engage. Once they engage, you guys walk in, huh? Okay? That's fine. Once they engage, I'm gonna walk in, okay? Spread lang. Guys, chill. Come southwest. Hold lang kayo. Wait for them to engage. Get heals muna. Get heals lang. Guys, you guys can brawl and play. You guys can play. Chill. Ang bagal naman nila. Mag-engage ba kayo, Jel? Guys, looking na sila. Looking na. Walk in now. Everyone walk in now and spread. Use your fakes and do whatever the fuck. Guys, ready. South now. South deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, south on me. South me. Nice spread. Spread and brawl, boys. Spread and brawl. I'm gonna stay in the middle and you guys spread in all directions. Brawl them. Hold them. Okay. What's southwest? Okay, just spread inside. Defensive. Guys, northwest. Guys, come. On top of me. Hold them now, northwest, bro. Hold them now on the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, hold them in the middle. Guys, damage on the middle. And spread. Spread. Just spread. I'm gonna play in the middle. And brawl. Yeah, just brawl. It's fine, bro. It's fine. Ready your defensive. Yeah. Defensive. Nice. Guys, ready. East now. Hold. East now. Hold them east now in 5, 4, 3, 2, east on me. Wipe them east. Now you spread. You spread. I'm in the middle. Just watch me in the middle and spread. Get heals.
Healers
Get full
lumalaki
HP.
po.
Spread
Healers
inside,
lumalaki.
bro. Spread inside. Just spread inside.
Go out. The call go out.
Running door.
Yeah,
Running door.
come southwest. Chase. Full chase southwest, boys. Click out. Full chase. How many deaths did we have?
Mount Magic, Mount. Black is here. Mount. Get out. Everyone get out.
Guys, ay, mount up. Ano?
Black. Pakol.
Asan yung black? Asaan?
Inside.
Come out. Everyone come out. What the fuck? Where's the info? Mount up. Mount up, run.
Southwest libre.
Southwest.
Yeah, full run, boys. Full run. Ditang try to hold them. Spread. Full run, boys. Full run. Full run. Gago, hindi ako nakapag-mount up.
Guys, libre Southwest.
Block level 20.
Northwest.
Ano level nito? Ano level ng flag?
Just run. 22.
22, guys, come to me. Can you guys come to me? Putang ina, wala kasi nagsasabi na kahit ano. Come to me. Come to me, boys. Come to me. Putang ina naman kasi. Walang nag-i-info na maayos. Help me. Help me. We fight this. Tang ina. Regrouping me. Come northwest. Walk with me northwest. Fight this, bro. Kilawan sa top yung 3. Tang ina, nagpapanik kayo. Level 22 lang pala. Akala ko naman level 50.
Ba't din
Engage ako na sila.
Wait, ping. Just regrouping me. This is not fakol, bro. Bro, why are you guys so pussy?
Magic run.
I'm southeast, bro. Hold them now. Everyone hold them. Wait for them to engage, we counter. And we play counter. Come southeast. Walk into them. Ready for the engage. Defensive style. Ready. On top of me, boys. On top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Crown. Dami siya na. Nice. These guys are dogs. Come northeast. Brawl the ones on top of you. You guys are so fucking pussy.
Baba mo.
Guys, come northeast. Spread kayo. They have engaged soon. Ready for the ano color nila. Guys, spread and brawl. Just spread and brawl. They have engaged now. Be ready. Spread Spread walk in, just hold them. Keep holding them. Defense is northeast. Come northwest. Come northeast. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Wipe them. Come northeast. Just walk into them. Walk into these dogs. Defensive east. Oh my god, the bomb squad. Come southwest. Chase the bomb squads. Bro the ones on top of you. Come southwest. Bro, wipe them all. Come north now. Come northeast now. Hold them northeast. Hold them northwest. Hold them northwest now. Guys, ready. West now. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on crowd. Dami siya na crowd. Then roll. Tang inat, level 22 lang pala. Kala ko level 50. Nagpapa-out kayo. Kaya pala natin. Defensive. And brawl them now. Brawl the ones on top of you.
Wala nang healer to unhealthy na sila.
Just brawl. Yeah, wala silang healer pero kaya pag tayo. Ready, southwest, hold them now. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every me. Kill this. Tang ina.
Yo, let's bomb.
Where?
It's bro.
7-4 Northeast. 7-4.
Keep pinging. Ang ina naman kasi, wag nyo sabihin nyo kung ano numbers nila, hindi yung magpapaano kayo. Tang ina. Man, we lost people for no reason kasi ang pangit ng scout nyo. Fucking stupid, bro. Run for what?
Lesson learn. Sige lang.
Ako nagdala out, my bad. Hindi ko alam yung number sila. Wala kasi nag-scout kaya nagpa-out ako.
Actually, hindi mo kasalanan yun dyan.
Ipupunta dyan yung mga
Castle.
Mount up.
Bay, babalik ako ng 4383.
Check castle. Go inside castle. Baka makuha yung chest. Go inside
Live rank ang castle. Northeast, nasa northeast. Bang plane northeast.
Northeast.
Ano yung maha? Ano meron sa maha?
Baka marat.
Come.
Gago, lakas ko mag-carving. What the fuck?
Tangina kasi nakakainis. Sayang eh. Dapat wala tayong deaths eh. Okay lang, sige. Yeah, I'll take it. Dapat wala tayong deaths doon, bro. Huwag kayong matakot, guys. It's just luck, bro. It's fucking luck.
Dapat di kami nagko-call out ng DE ng kalaban. Dapat yung mga D-tanks or yung mga scout.
Kill the Lord now. Guys, damage on the Lord. Fast. Dismount. Everyone fucking dismount. Damage on the Lord. How long are you guys gonna take?
They will regear, ha? They will come back.
It's fine.
Yo. Chill muna. Chill. Hinga.
Chill lang.
Ay, ano tayo doon? May scout tayo doon sa vlog bagong pumasok eh.
Black yan, black. Ako na.
Wala tayo. We can fight them again. It's fine.
Keep Maha.
May block down somewhere. May block down
If Maha comes, I'll talk to Mugi. If Maha comes.
Yo, we lost G.
Chariot
Level
dead.
10. Level 10.
Yeah, we out. Chariot dead. We out. We're gonna just open the chest. Guys, officers only. Mount up. Everyone mount up. We go southwest. We run. Wala tayong chariot. Maubusan tayo ng mana against them. Come southwest.
Future party on the way from the Citadel.
Yeah. No, actually, just go back. Just go home. Sorry. Crash out ako dun. My bad.
Zoning Citadel daw.
It's fine. Just go southwest. I crashed out. My bad. It's fine. But you guys now understand, na? You guys see how good the comp is, how good our plays are.
Yeah. 8M pa yung chess.
It's fine. Leave it.
Just leave it.
Just go back. Everyone regroup in MR. We can all regroup in MR.
Pasabi ka pag
Saan tayo mag-ano? Ready ko ulit, sarot. Wala na.
Regroup tayo MR lang.
MR? Hindi na tayo mag-Tradford.
Bakit? Just go MR, we go back to FS.
Dimas.
Kasi pag nag-Tradford tayo mag-TP.
Good content na. Nanghinayang lang talaga ako sana ng mga namatay. D-tanks, I need, guys, next time we do CTA like this, I need one fucking flank tank. For the love of God. Give me one flank tank. Who will always stay behind. Okay? You guys played so good at Castle. Good shit, bro. That I can say. I just need someone to tell me if there's another Zerg, if we're gonna get third-partied, okay? Okay, we're gonna go back to FSP. FSP, yeah. Go Morgana. We regroup Morgana. You guys, some people can R back to Morgana if you want. I'm gonna walk. Those who wants to walk with me. Others can just go
Medyo,
Arbok.
ano lang yun, pre. Nabigla lang talaga yung mga tao.
Oo lang. Hindi, yun nga, my bad. Nag-crash out lang ako. Madala.
Eh, Big Love dito sa Myra. Wait. Don't zone.
Wala rin kasi akong info dun sa block.
Yeah. Hindi. Okay lang, Jel. I get it. Nag-crash out lang talaga ako.
Ito, may block somewhere.
Sige lang. Go northeast kapag, ano ba yan?
Checking ahead ako. Pa-southeast yung Blob.
Okay, come southwest lang.
Oh boy.
Okay. Just go straight southeast. Spread kayo. Arbok na nga tayo. Spread Arbok, guys. Yung mga nasa kabilang zone, mag-Arbok na rin kayo.
Arbok na.
Sabi ko lang, spread.
May DA.
Yeah. Sa Morgana nga tayo, then uwi tayo FSP. Anyway, guys, crash out lang. Sorry. My bad on the crash out. We just need more people to actually watch the flank. Tell me enemy numbers. We could have fought them inside the castle and we'll still eat them alive. Also, hindi natin na-establish kung sino yung caller, sino yung bomb. That's why we lost people. That's on me. I didn't notice the southeast side na bump ng flak, so that's on me.
Gago, bakit? Sakit na talaga yon tol. Lagi niyang dinidikitan yung bomb goaler. Sinaswarman niyo si Sangkay kanina. Kaya ang laki ng clap sa inyo. Isang duty hand lang kayo, pre. Isang duty hand lang pumatay sa inyo.
Pero ang nasasaktan ako yung mga 10 deaths bago pa magsimula yung laban. Kayang-kaya naman pala sila. Just, regroup here. Everyone regroup in portal. Bubu Xiao Jian. Sino caller nila?